So today I'm going to teach you how to do an origami dog, and I am starting a season origami for beginners. This is going to be episode 1. Okay, so you could either use origami paper or a paper square, which I'm going to use the paper square because I just don't want to waste all my paper. Okay, so what you're going to do is that you're just going to fold like a triangle. And then you just fold the ears like this. It's a little harder to do it with normal paper, but it's a little thicker. So you really have to kind of do this with the paper. So this is your origami dog, or should I say paper dog, but this is also the origami dog. But it's basically the same thing though. See? Basically the same thing. So if you didn't get my instructions, I will be certainly nice enough, because I am not a very nice person, and I will show you the instructions. Oh, there's a pig. I'm just joking. I knew that. Okay. I'm not going to show you the cat page. Fold in half the paper. Rotate. It means put upside down. Fold the ears down. Fold behind. And then you have the dog. See, by fold behind, I mean the little triangle of the part of the square and folds behind. So this was our origami dog. Guys, I will be more happy to see you guys like episode 1 and 2. So, without further ado, bye-bye.